we're gonna make world a little bit fun and smart. Imagine the 2x2 version of the Rubik's Cube, but instead of sides being solid color, they covered with 24 high-resolution screens and the powerful CPU inside. Wowcube consists of 8 autonomous modules, and they are really autonomous. And let's say those are 8 independent computers. So we have the smart and educational toy that's designed to play both in virtual and physical realities by twisting, shaking, and tilting.
Something between puzzle and gaming console. Look, it's a mechanical electrical device. I can run different games on that. Most of games in puzzle style. I show how it works. We have different games. It's looking like applications, and it's a connected device. We have application. This application connected via Bluetooth to Cube. I can download game for Cube from internet, from our website, and upload to Cube and run on Cube. Source code of every game is open source. You can make your own game using our API and upload to our wowcube store, and everyone who have Cube can run it.
We just returned from the last Gadget show, and that's pretty awesome. We just won the People's Choice Award 2020. So the wowcube and last Gadget show. Stay tuned.
So fittingly, wowcube is one of the contenders for the crown this year. It is Rubik's Cube 2.0. All the judges found it to be a unique product, and Max Fillin, he's here with Lisa Fillin, co-founders of wowcube. Max, I'll let you take it away with your video.
Everything is digital, everything is interactive. Everybody likes to play games, especially kids. Taking best from the classical puzzles and very new and bright video games, we combine them to one magnificent toy that allows you to play acting in both physical and virtual realities, designed to hold it far from the eyes, on your arm's distance, and always thinking in 3 dimensions. So, this is an open platform. Kids will play games, period. If you take the smartphone away, what will you give instead? Give them an interesting toy that literally makes them smarter. wowcube, ladies and gentlemen. The idea belongs to a 12-year-old teenager. You saw him on the video.
Yeah.
He just came up with the idea that what if to put the characters on the surface of the Rubik's Cube, and his father realized that it can be a bit more than just a game console, because the main thing is you need to hold it far from the eyes. It's like kind of healthy gaming.
Okay. Hey, let's hear it for wowcube. Thank you so much.
Price, you're asking how much the health price? $249.
$250 and expected launch date?
Middle of 2020.
Okay, thank you so much. There's contestant number 1.
I'm Ashley Esqueda, and we are here checking out something very exciting. So I thought it was really interesting that you had said this actually came about from a friend's 12-year-old. That was where the idea came from.
The idea belongs to 12-year-old teenager, Sava Osipov. He thought, what if to put characters on the surface of Rubik's Cube and control them by tilting and shaking. So his father realized that this is a great and wonderful idea, and they built the first prototype on the backyard.
How big was it?
It was like this big.
So I want to show you, I want to show everybody the final product, because this, as we mentioned, this is a prototype.
Yes.
And you were lucky enough to see the final version of it, which you were able to get just yesterday. You just got it.
This night we have our friend who came here to show that the version that is already from the mass production, and you see how.
So that's it.
Because this device is much better. We made a lot of research. It's a little bit smaller. It's covered with tempered Gorilla Glass.
So, but this is a huge difference. I mean, this is, if we put them right next to each other, you can see this has quite a bezel on it, and this one has almost nothing, which is really nice, and it's smooth.
So, the pipe games, right?
Yeah,
Shake 3 times.
and it'll load. So,
Here is the loop, and I need to finalize it by putting this one here.
okay.
This is like last turn. And here we go. Once I do, I see the statistics.
Oh,
How
okay,
many
so it tells you
moves?
how much time.
It's a good.
That's great.
It's
That's really
calculated
cool. I'm super excited about this. This little guy is amazing. I can't wait to get my hands on one. This is like, I mean, literally. How much does it cost?
It pretty much depends on the quantity, of course, and the
Okay.
go-to-market strategy. We're going to from the 250 in the beginning.
Okay.
But our goal, a long-term play, is to achieve the console market model. Then we start to get revenue from our WoW store, so we can significantly decrease the
price of the actual product.
actual hardware.
That makes sense. Well, thank you so much, Max, for coming
You're
and showing
welcome.
us WowCube. That is WowCube, everybody.